next proof is speaking about the sun. We know that the temperature in the center of the sun is 15 million Celsius, 15 million degrees Celsius. As slowly we go towards the edge of the sun, the temperature drops to 2 million degrees Celsius. And the sun has a shell, like an orange has a shell. Inside the shell of the sun, the temperature is 2 million degrees Celsius. Outside of the shell, it's only 6,000 degrees Celsius. A tremendous drop. And it's very interesting because the distance between the center of the sun to the edge of the sun, it's much, much longer than between the inside of the shell to the outside of the shell. The shell absorbs all the radiation to protect Earth from burning. It's very interesting. So when we review the Torah says in the Midrash, in the oral Torah, the sun has a cover. That's appeared in Bereshit Rabbah. It's a part of the Midrash, chapter 6. And the Midrash speaking about a verse in Tehillim, in King David's book. And this is what, it's in chapter 19, verse 5. Psalms, and it says, God put the sun inside a cover. And the Torah says that this cover protecting us from burning. Now remember, when we look at the sun, there's no way to see in the sun that the sun has a cover. It looks like a round ball of fire. Nobody can see a shell. Today, with the technology that we have, with different machinery, we are able to detect that. The scientist, Dr. Vidal, a major astronomer in a Greenwich British agency, this is what he writes in his book, The Army of Heaven. Those layers that surround the sun absorb all the radiation that comes from the center of the sun. This is what we call the cover. If this radiation will get to Earth, even for 1 second, it will burn the entire place immediately. So it's very interesting, because today they know that there is a shell, there's a cover. The question, who could have known 3,000 years ago to write such a thing in a book? Unless if you receive it from the Creator himself.